When this horse sees a little kid walking over with some grass, it immediately plays along and starts eating it. But there's already plenty of grass on the ground. So why does it choose the one in her hand? That's because horses are highly social animals. They often see humans as part of their herd. So for this horse, it's not just about the food, it's actually a sign of friendliness. And horses are surprisingly intuitive. When you're feeling down, they may come over to comfort you. When you're upset, they'll even try to cheer you up in their own way. Their strong, solid presence can make you feel safe and relaxed. If a horse is willing to lie down next to you, that means it truly trusts you, because most horses rest while standing and only lie down to sleep when they feel completely safe. Interestingly, a horse's mouth is one of the most flexible and precise parts of its body. Their lips work almost like human fingers, allowing them to pick and sort food with amazing accuracy. They can even use their mouth to help you unzip something. And even more surprisingly, some horses can actually play the piano with their mouths, which looks pretty incredible.